Let's make some easy K12 globally inspired meals that your students will love. Today's kids enjoy trying new foods from around the world. And with our fully cooked scratch-style proteins, you can easily serve meals that feature global flavors. Plus, many of these proteins are already used on restaurant menus. It's an effortless way to bring elevated flavor and authenticity into your cafeteria.
First up, al pastor tacos. I'll be using pork al pastor that comes already lightly smoked and seasoned. You just need to heat it up. You'll also need yellow corn tortillas and a roasted pineapple salsa made with pineapple, red pepper, red onion, jalapeño, cilantro, and lime juice. First, add 2 corn tortillas to a paper boat. Then fill each with 2 ounces of al pastor pork and an 1/8 cup of pineapple salsa. Garnish with chopped cilantro and diced onion and serve with lime wedges. This is a great alternative to everyday tacos. You can also use pork al pastor in burrito bowls or even grilled cheese. Next up, I'll be making Korean barbecue rice bowls. For this one, I'll be using savory turkey crumbles that come ready to take on any flavor you add to them. For your Korean barbecue turkey, you'll need brown sugar, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, gochujang, sesame oil, garlic, ginger, and cornstarch. You'll also need a kimchi slaw and a spicy cucumber salad that conveniently cross-utilize ingredients like rice vinegar, gochujang, and soy sauce. And of course, you'll need some tasty brown rice. I've already boiled the brown sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, gochujang, sesame oil, ginger, and garlic. After you let it simmer, stir in your cornstarch slurry and bring to a boil to thicken the sauce. Then add your turkey crumbles to a hotel pan, followed by the Korean barbecue sauce, and combine. Cover and bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until it reaches 140 degrees. To serve, compose the rice, cucumber salad, kimchi slaw, and the Korean barbecue turkey. You can also top your bowl with green onion, cilantro, or a spicy mayo. This is a great way to level up a typical whole grain bowl. You could also use turkey crumbles in soups or noodle bowls. The last one I'll be making is chicken tortilla soup with flame-seared pulled chicken thigh. This thigh is already seared and slow cooked, giving it a great flavor and juicy bite. You'll also need a mix of seasonings, onion, garlic, tomato paste, tomatoes, chicken stock, black beans, corn, cornmeal, and lime juice. First, saute the onions and garlic. Then bloom the spice blend and cook off the bitterness of the tomato paste. Then add the stock and diced tomatoes, followed by the flame-seared chicken, beans, and corn. Finally, add a cornmeal slurry to thicken it up. Remember to finish with lime juice before serving. Consider garnishing with sour cream, cilantro, crushed tortilla chips, or shredded cheese. This is a great alternative to an average chicken noodle soup. You could also use the pulled chicken thigh in things like pita wraps or nachos. Hope this gives you some inspiration for your menu. Reach out when you're ready to bring speed scratch proteins like these into your cafeteria. Happy serving!